So how are all of you doing? Well, I'm here to do a video about the Bajaj Avenger 220. Yeah, I'm here to do a video about the things which I hate about the Bajaj Avenger 220. Well, I have been owning this bike. I have owned this bike for around 6 years now. And first of all, I apologize for not washing it for this video. You can see all these bird droppings and all. So yeah, and I think this is also I think this is a bad dropping because it is like jambul color. I don't know, it's purplish. So anyways, okay, now they are checking out the, it looks good, that means, because people are getting the bike is getting attention from a lot of people. So especially this thing, this rear end. बाकी बाइक से अच्छा दिखता है ना?
ये अच्छा दिखता है.
हाँ ना? See, you heard it from the man. So they like the bike. It looks different. Also, it is cheaply priced. 70,000 70,000 का आ जाता है. हाँ.
700 रुपया.
बराबर.
यार
अच्छा है वही. और ऊपर से हिस्ट्री भी है ना बाइक में. जो ये शिप, हाँ, विक्रांत का शिप का मेटल है इसमें. ऐसा है.
और मस्त गाड़ी.
और चीप प्राइस भी है ना.
चीप प्राइस भी है.
ये वही इसका इतिहास है ना विक्रांत का.
हाँ.
इधर ऊपर का इसका सिंबल भी दिया है.
सिंबल भी है बराबर.
विक्रांत.
मस्त.
चल कोई निकाल इस बदमा.
लोकस बड़ी मस्त भी है.
डबल हाँ. सिंगल
डबल. बीच में चौका बदला.
ये एडतुम. मस्त है. सिस्टम अच्छा दिया. इसका सिंबल बहुत हार्ड दिया. और ये मुंडी सही नहीं है. पीछे का वो हटाना पड़ेगा ना.
टेल लाइट भी मस्त है. ऐसा टेल लाइट बहुत कम गाड़ी में.
इसको हटाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ ये.
बाहर का सिस्टम है.
Yeah, many people think that this headlight is a bit off, but it's okay. But rest everything is like superb. It looks really nice, fresh. This is a fresh design, and I love it. Anyways, coming back to Bajaj Avenger. Now the things which I hate about the Bajaj Avenger. I hate the speedometer, man. Seriously, these features here, the insides of it, as well as the outsides of it, because it looks like a lunch box here. The ones which we used to carry in school for our lunch breaks or snacks breaks, whatever. So, and this thing here, this headlight, there is nothing that has been done because they've just put a chrome katora kind of thing and inserted a light inside. So no amount of effort has been taken. Now this thing I have only added because I just wanted to give it a different kind of look to it, to give it a longer kind of look. Otherwise it was looking like so flat like a carom board here, like so it was looking very flat. So I thought this like accentuates the headlight, so I put it on. And the next thing which I hate about the bike is the ignition. Now the ignition key, when you see it here, it's here, okay? Now in the newer versions of the bikes in Bajaj Avenger, the ignition key is somewhere down here, okay? But that does not make any difference, because the thing is, the ignition key, ignition settings should have been here. Right? They should have made an arrangement to keep the ignition key, to keep the ignition over here. That's it. Yeah. The second thing which other things which I hate about the bike are this tail light. I hate the tail light. And bike, it's a Harley Davidson. So I don't know. This is a Harley Davidson. Yeah. Which Harley is this?
Fat Bob.
Fat Bob. Nice bike, yeah. So wow, yeah, this is something. Some different bikes are coming here. Yeah. Okay. So now this thing. Now the tail light. I hate the tail light here. Because the tail light looks so boxy. I just wish the tail light would have been looking more flush like this, because this flush thing is really nice. I mean that in a good way. Just don't associate flush with. Flush is like when the borders are like seamless. You can see here it's smooth, right? So I just hate anything and everything sticking out of the rear of a bike. So that's my take on it. That's a personal opinion. Other than that, the things which I hate about the bike are it does not have a rear disc brake. So it's a drum brake. A rear disc brake would have been really nice on this bike. Now last but not the least, in case you're taking this bike for touring, say like 200 plus kilometers, the main thing you will face with this bike is the lack of power on the highway. Because up to a certain point, like up to 100 kilometers an hour, it's really nice, but once it goes beyond 100, say 110, you can definitely feel that the engine is trying too hard. You know, you can feel that resistance in the engine. That's a bit of a turn off in this bike. So that's the maximum it can go. Beyond it, you just only God can help you. So anyway, so yep. So as I said, everyone is looking at this bike. So it's a very nice bike for 70,000 bucks. It's very nice. Plus there's a history also, no? Yeah, INS Vikrant. Yeah. So yep. So everyone is looking at it.
What we had seen in the childhood, we can feel it again.
Yeah.
Vikrant, I'm feeling it back.
Chai. Bye bye. So yep, I definitely should make a video on this bike, I think, because many people are looking at it. Yeah. Anyways, so this was my video about the things I hate about Avenger 220. So other than that, it's a very good bike. It has not given me any problems so far, except the fact that oh, look at the sound here. Oh, that's the Harley for you. So guys, so these are the things. How many times will I tell you? These are the things which I hate about the Avenger 220. Yep. So there's definitely a lot of scope for Bajaj Avenger to like grow leaps and bounds, but I don't know what they are waiting for. Maybe the market is too stagnant at this point of time. Maybe they are not getting enough buyers, or I don't know. They definitely have a choice to increase the price point of a bike, because I'm sure like many people can afford bikes between the range of 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs, so they can make a really good job on the Avenger. But I don't know what's keeping them back. Maybe they think that the cruiser segment in India is not as good as the sports segment, because all you see are upgrades in the sports segments of bikes like KTMs and all. So yeah, that's a mentality. Maybe some company will come and they will take advantage of this relatively stagnant sector in our Indian biking scene. So I just hope. So fingers crossed. Anyways guys, so this was my video about the Bajaj Avenger thing, Avenger 220, the things which I hate about the bike. So okay then, bye bye.